Hey student, good morning. All of you here we are discussing on the subject electronics measurement and instrumentation, and subject code is 22333. So student, we discuss the unit number second, analog and digital meter. In previous class we are discussing about the indicating device such as the moving coil. In moving coil, indicating device is the oscillable moment and PMMC. And student, now in this class we are discussing about the ohm meter. And ohm meter consists of an internal battery in series with meter movement and a current limiting resistance. Power in circuit being tested instead of current from the internal battery flows through the resistance being measured, producing a deflection that is proportional to the current flow and display on a back scale with ohm values equivalent to the left as the current back off from full scale deflection. This is the ohm meter. Ohm meter is used for measuring the current. Right, student? Then this is the circuit diagram of ohm meter. So student, how meter movement M can be used as another ohm meter? This is the M meter. This is the M. This is the meter. Right, student? With a 1.5 volt battery, and this is the 1.5 volt battery. And in this circuit number A, equivalent closed circuit with R. This is the equivalent closed circuit with R. This is the R1 this is the resistance. The value of resistance is 1450 ohm. Right, student? With R and the battery when ohm meter leads are short circuited for 0 ohm. This is the short circuited for 0 ohm. This is the 0 ohm. This is the short circuited. Right, student? The value of R here is 0. Here is 0. Right, student? Ohm and ohm are external. In this circuit B, the internal ohm meter, this is the internal ohm meter circuit with test lead open. This is the test lead open. This is the test lead open, ready to measure on external resistance. And in this circuit A, the R1 is connected across the zero resistance, and in circuit B, the resistance are connected in a open to lead circuit. Right, student? Then this is the next circuit diagram of ohm meter. Here resistance RT resistance RT is the total resistance. RT, that means total resistance of Rex, and the ohm meter's internal resistance. Total resistance, that is the Rex, and the ohm meter internal resistance. Rex is the external resistance to be measured. This is the external resistance to be measured, and total resistance is here. Total resistance is here. Right, student? The ohm meter internal resistance R1 is contain 1450 ohm resistance. This is the R1 as 1040 ohm resistance. This is the 1040 ohm resistance, and the current move is Rm 50 ohm. So the total resistance is 50 plus 1450 is 1500, that's 1500 ohm here. The total resistance here in circuit A is that 50 plus 50 plus 1450 is equal to 1500. Right, student? The current then the here one battery also connected. The range of battery is 1.5 volt. Here the current then 1.5 volt is divided by 3000 ohm is equal to 0.5 milliampere. As one, the resulting is half scale. Deflection for the 1 milliampere moment. 1 milliampere moment, and this is the scale of external ohm of the resistance. This is the scale of external ohm of the resistance. Right, student? Then we are discussing about the multimeters. Multimeters are also called multimeters. Multimeter are multimeter are used to measure the voltage, current or resistance. Multimeter is used for voltage, current and resistance. Multimeter has there are two types. One of is the volt ohm millimeter, that is the or it is called analog 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 multimeter. Right, student? And second one is the digital multimeter. The comparison of volt ohm meter, the comparison of volt ohm meter and digital multimeter is that the volt ohm multimeter has the analog pointer reading and digital multimeter has the digital readout. Right, student? When we use these two different types of multimeter, in this multimeter there are two different things. In the digital multimeter we can observe that the reading is directly show in the show on the display such like 8.25, right? An analog multimeter, it can't be displayed directly. In this meter we need to observe the reading with the help of pointer. Right, student? This is the one of the different thing in this 2 millimeter. And second is the DC voltage. Second one is the DC voltmeter. RV changes with ranges, and RV is 10 or 22 milliohm, the same on all ranges. 0 ohm adjustment changes for each ranges and no 0 ohm adjustment. In volt ohm multimeter we can change for each ranges, and second digital multimeter, no 0 ohm will be existed. And next one is the ohm ranges up to external ohm ranges. In volt ohm multimeter we can connect it to the external resistance with 1000 ohm ranges as a multiplier factor, and in digital multimeter we can used only up to 20 milliohm milliohm resistance in the digital multimeter. This one is the diagram of multimeter. This one is the volt ohm. This one is the volt ohm multimeter or analog multimeter. That's right. And this one is the digital multimeter. Then multimeter, the problem of opening a circuit to measure current can be eliminated by using a probe with a clamp that fits around the current carrying wire. In these are the probe. These are the probe. These are the one is the ground and second one is the black probe indicates the ground, and second one is the positive terminal. So student, the clamp probes measures only AC. This clamp probe measures only this clamp probe measures only AC. So in the image, generally for the 60 Hz AC power line, then the student, now today's class we need to stop here and discuss in the next class. Thank you, student.